Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add recovery email address. So guys, let's go. First of all, you have to go to your Gmail app. Then go to your Gmail account. Then click on manage your Google account. Then go to security and scroll down. You can see here recovery email. Click here. Now you have to add your recovery email and click on verify. You'll get a 6-digit code. You have to here verify your code. Click on verify. My recovery email has been verified. So guys, this is how you can add another recovery email. So guys, that's it. You can do it. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.